Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lovely recipe here for you guys, and you know what I mean, this is a weight loss and detox drink. I'm always keeping you guys updated with the drink. You can add, if you want to add some apple cider vinegar, or if you want to have some organic honey, it's up to you. So stay tuned and watch this beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo today. See you next time. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically today I wanted to do you guys a healthy green smoothie. Yeah, I'm always updating and give you the latest version of Chef Ricardo have. So basically we have some spinach, which I'm going to be putting inside of my blender. Spinach is very good for us, and spinach have a lot of benefit. Now I'm gonna get half of an apple, some green apple. Put it straight inside of it. I'm gonna get a piece of a lemon. And also just remove the skin from the lemon, because it's gonna be the drink natural. All right, or you can use lime. I'm using lime, sorry. Now I'm gonna get a piece of a ginger, and I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger and cut it up very finely. Put it straight inside of the blender. You can put honey, but I'm just leaving it natural, because that's Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? Now let's put half cups of water, and I'm going to blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Give it a shake, make everything come down. That looking good. Nice one. That's finished. So what we're gonna do is pour that nice, lovely green healthy juice right here. Split, but it's fine. It's good. If you never drink it like that before, why not? Give it a try and see, because me personally drink it many times like that, guys. I do it easily if it's split without any honey, and you know what I mean, natural. It's really good. Very healthy smoothie in the morning for breakfast. Look at that. And spinach have a lot of iron. Nice and lovely. So enjoy the recipe. Subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. I have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like that will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.